Hey, what's up guys? I just finished my morning workout, my meditation, my reading of my personal development, and I wanted to share some thoughts with you guys as I was thinking about some of the skills and the talents that it takes to be successful in building a business. We have incredible momentum going on in our team, Dynasty Strong, right now, and much of what has helped me, I have learned throughout my experience in my life in the church, and also with 2 years of experience as a missionary in the country of Venezuela. So I'm going to share a quote with you. Quote, "Some who come and see will perhaps never join the church. Some will at a later time. That is their choice, but that doesn't change our love for them, and it doesn't change our enthusiastic efforts to continue inviting individuals and families to come and see, come and help, and come and stay." Unquote. And this message, however, is not about the church that I'm going to give you guys here on this video, but how I use what I learn in the gospel in my daily life of building a business that will last. So for a couple years, I shied away from sharing so boldly and enthusiastically my love for Team Beachbody and how it's changed our lives and the lives of thousands of people on our team. Now, part of it was feeling a deep pain for so many people that I know struggle financially, mentally, and with their health and also with their fitness. And part of it was because some of the people that I deeply care about started bashing what I do for my work on social media and on other private platforms that were brought to my attention. So that deterred me and kept me from sharing so boldly and enthusiastically. But guys, no more. Like, I've listened to this conference talk that I quoted over 10 times in the past 24 hours, and I will continue proud and loud about the accomplishments of the people that we work with, and I will invite all to come and see, come and help, and come and stay, as stated above, in our great work of ending the trend of obesity and to create the most sustainable and reliable source of income from the home. So, guys, my late friend Kirk Hansen, who you may have known had passed away in this airplane accident with 8 other family members just recently, taught me that the best way to build a business is to emulate it after Christ's teachings and the church. And so here are 5 steps to sharing what you are passionate about from Elder Uchtdorf. Number 1, draw close to God. The closer that you draw to our Heavenly Father, the more His light and joy will shine from within inside of you. Number 2, fill your heart with love for others. Strive to emulate the love of Christ and have compassion for others, even those who are unkind to you, who mock you, and who wish to cause you harm. Love them. Number 3, strive to walk the path of discipleship. Whatever it is that you do, work on it one step at a time. The important thing is that you don't give up. Keep trying to get it right. You will eventually become better, happier, and more authentic in what you're doing and what you're sharing. Number 4, share what it is that is in your heart. Look for opportunities every single day to bring up your faith in natural ways and normal ways, both in person and online. There are many normal and natural ways to do this, from daily acts of kindness to personal testimonies on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do not hide under a bushel. Let your light shine before the world. Number 5, trust the Lord to work His miracles. Understand that it is not your job to convert people. Your role is to share what is in your heart and live consistent with your beliefs. Share what is in your heart and live consistent with your beliefs. Believe, love, and do. You guys, this is your friend Scotty Hobbs, founder of Dynasty Strong, where we are empowering others to continually develop into their fullest potential. Guys, have a great day and see you next time.